Welcome to a video on simple interest. In this video, we will look at an example of where we are asked to find the initial investment or principal in order to earn a certain amount of interest over a period of time. Let's get started. Let's take a look at our problem statement. This problem says if you would like to make $1,358 in 7 years, how much would you have to deposit in an account that pays simple interest of 2%? Toward the very end of this question, we see that we are investing money in an account that pays simple interest. That's a good tip to tell us that we need to be using our formula for simple interest, which is I equals PRT. This is where I is equal to the interest earned, P is the principal or initial deposit, R is the annual interest rate, and T is the time in years. Let's reread the problem, but this time let's look to identify the values of I, P, R, and T, or identify the unknown values that we are looking for. Let's reread the problem a little bit slower this time. So it says if you would like to make $1,358. Since that's the money that we are making in this account, that is going to be the interest earned. So our value for I is $1,358. Continuing, we're earning this money in 7 years' time. So that is going to be our value for T. So T is 7 years. How much would you have to deposit in an account? The money that gets deposited into the account is P. This is what we're looking for, so P is actually an unknown variable here. This account pays simple interest at a rate of 2%. So that is our annual interest rate R, but when we do the calculations, we need to convert 2% to a decimal, so R is going to be 0.02. Now let's go ahead and find P by plugging these values into our formula and solving for P. Replacing I, R, and T, our formula becomes the equation 1,358 is equal to P times 0.02 times 7. Let's clean up that right-hand side by multiplying 0.02 times 7. This gives us 1,358 is equal to 0.14 P. To solve for P, we need to divide both sides by 0.14. This means that P is going to be 1,358 divided by 0.14. Let's use our calculator to divide these two numbers out. It looks like we get P is equal to 9,700. This means that you would need to deposit $9,700 in the account to earn $1,358 in interest over 7 years at 2% simple interest. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.